Well, hello. This is Renee Michelle Floyd, CEO, creator, and owner of Beautiful Hair Products. These products are especially for you who have established locks, sister locks, dreadlocks, braid locks, micro locks, twists. These products are especially for you, and I want to introduce you to our Beautiful Hair Products Moisturizing System bundles, and in particular, our Peppermint Bundle. And so let me show you what you get. In this bundle, you get your full size set of the peppermint collection, which includes your peppermint tingling scalp and hair shampoo, your peppermint tingling scalp and hair moisturizing spray, your peppermint tingling scalp and hair Cool Whip conditioner, and your peppermint tingling hair oil. And I wanted to also let you know what else you get with this package. I am so excited about it. Not only do you get the full size set of your peppermint collection, you also get a super absorbent towel cap in either cute pink, charcoal gray, cream, or your silver gray. And these super absorbent towel caps are perfect now because you don't have to go around with a bath towel on your head. They're soft, luxurious, and it absorbs water like a sponge. And you get a satin sleep cap in either baby pink, black, burgundy, or gold. In either one of these colors, you get a satin sleep cap. So in case your hair is dry in the morning, when you don't have your cap on, you can now have your satin cap on your head. And you get a satin pillowcase. A black satin pillowcase is big, it's chunky, and it fits your standard size pillow. It doesn't have a zipper. It has an envelope, so easy on, easy off, and it's soft, and it helps to keep your hair moisturized just in case your satin cap comes off. So again, you get your full size set of your peppermint collection. You get a sleep cap in either baby pink, black, burgundy, or gold. And you get a super absorbent towel cap in either cute pink, cream, charcoal gray, or silver gray. In either one of these colors, you get a super absorbent towel cap. And you get a free downloadable link for my ebook called 8 Quick and Easy Recipes and Tips for 4C Hair. This little book is powerful. You get it free with the collection. And if you follow those recipes, you will always have product on hand to keep your hair moisturized and conditioned. And you get free shipping in the US of A. So I can't wait to fill your order. Can't wait to see you use the peppermint products along with your towel cap, satin cap, and your pillowcase. And I can't wait to fill your order. Have a good day.